was discussing about ethics syllabus. I discussed the epilogue of the whole syllabus, the portion written in the beginning. This would be a series of 10 lectures in which I would be discussing each and every portion of the syllabus in a more granular form. I would be presenting you with a picture by which you can paint the whole canvas. So the first lecture would be ethics and human interface. I am just going by the syllabus. Just I am trying to explain the whole story to you in a more digestible format. So ethics and human interface. In this, I would like to first of all tell to you. In every lecture, I would be telling something about that particular term. Afterwards, I would be giving in about 100 or 120 terms. I would be taking all those terms that are important for your ethical paper in a 5 minute series, and in every 5 minutes, I would be explaining one term. So, if I start, see ethics क्या होता है? Ethics moral principles होता है. इसको हम लोग set of philosophy भी बोल सकते हैं. We can also tell it as set of philosophy which governs a human or a society. This pen is not working. Which govern a human or society and ultimate to produce good result. ठीक है? तो what are the things? Ethics are moral principles or a set of philosophy for human being or society producing good result. Okay. Now here good can be subjective. We would be discussing about it in a more detailed format when I come to the topic. Now I am taking the syllabus. So ethics and human interface. What is the syllabic content? And all these lectures would be mere 5 or 6 minute lecture. They have mentioned in UPSC. They have mentioned essence, determinants. They have mentioned essence. They have mentioned determinants of ethics in human action, and then they have mentioned dimensions of ethics. And then they have mentioned ethics in private and public relationship. Okay? So these are the 4 syllabic content. Essence of ethics. We would be getting into the more definitional format, the implication part. Then we come to determinants of ethics. Determinants of ethics, we would be basically the implication of ethics in our day-to-day life, but since we are studying this for UPSC, what are the determinants of ethics which basically controls, what are those moral sets of principles, what are the constituents, what are the essence of those moral sets of principles or that sets of philosophy which governs your life or governs the life. I should not be using the word govern, which inspires your life to do good for the society. Okay, so those determinants. Then dimension of ethics. In dimension of ethics, we basically study some isms. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, moral relativism, moral subjectivism, moral prescriptivism. All these isms, there are 4 or 5 isms we would be taking when I would be taking in the detailed class. And the ethics in private and public relation. This is important as far as in this portion the examiner has given a short preview of the case study part of the questions. So ethics in private and public relation, in this we would be taking what is the, if you are ethical, how your private life or your personal life and how you negotiate in your private life and how you negotiate in your public life gets affected. Now you must be having a very valid question. What is the utility how I negotiate with myself in my private life. This is very important. A person who is more comfortable within himself is a person who always behaves ethically in public life. So this is important, and in fact this is very important how you deal with your own self. People today are talking in this present scenario of pandemic. People today are talking that it is very important for you to be self-compassionate, self-empathic. When you would forgive yourself, you would forgive other person. When you would try to understand yourself, you will understand the psychology of other people. And understanding the psychology of other people, understanding the pain of other people, makes you more compassionate, makes you more empathic. And what is the utility of all these words, empathy and compassion? You know, in the later part of the syllabus, empathy and compassion as a quality in a civil servant. So whole syllabus is like a story. So in this lecture, I have discussed the first portion, ethics and human interface. In the second lecture, I will be taking the second content of the syllabus. And basically, I will be trying to build a story around the whole syllabus. So thank you.